So second class of Unit 1 General Parasitology is the types of parasites. Under this subheading, we have read different types of parasites according to their location in the host, a type of host required to complete their life cycles, how duration they live in the host. So different type of parasite we will discuss in under this topic. तो first आते हैं endoparasite. Endoparasite is the parasite which lives within or inside the body of the host. Parasite जो parasite host के body के अंदर रहता है उसको endoparasites कहते हैं. Some common examples are different groups of parasites commonly known as nematodes. Nematodes is a group of parasite commonly known as roundworm. Roundworm, but its cross section is round in shape, but morphological they are elongated in shape. So nematodes, most of the nematodes are endoparasite. They found inside the small intestine, lungs, and other body part of the host. Another group of parasite is trematode. Trematodes group of parasite is commonly known as flukes or flatworm because body is dorsoventrally flattened. Body's dorsal and ventral surface are flat. This is the trematode parasite commonly known flukes. This is also a endoparasite. And third group of parasite is cystode. Cystode is commonly known as tapeworm because tape-like structure, in Hindi it is known as फीता कृमि. This is the. So this is the three groups of parasites come under the type endoparasite. Various nematodes. Most common is found in case of human being also Ascaris lumbricoides. Ankylostoma caninum is a zoonotic parasite also found in case of man. Then trematodes is common is liver flukes, fasciola. This is the fasciola trematodal parasite commonly known as liver fluke. This is prevalent in all over India, also in the Bihar. Then cystodes commonly named as tapeworms. Most जैसे Taenia solium, Taenia saginata. Then another type of parasite is ectoparasite. As name of the parasite indicates, the parasite live on the body of the host, particularly on the skin or within the skin. The parasite lives on the body of the host, means body surface on the skin or within the skin of the host. Under the ectoparasite, arthropods groups of parasites come under. Most common is fly, different type of fly, house fly, sand fly, then tick. Tick is commonly 4 pair legs found in the adult ticks, and this comes under the arthropods. And fly have 3 pairs of legs. Fly में कोई भी fly में 3 pairs legs होता है, लेकिन in case of ticks, which also comes under arthropod phylum, adult have 4 pair legs, but larva stage of tick has 3 pairs of legs. इस बात को आप tip of the tongue रखना है, याद में रखना है कि larva of the tick has 3 pairs of legs and adult of the ticks has 4 pairs of legs. Both fly and ticks found on the body surface of the host. We can see with the naked eye. Naked eye से दोनों को हम देख सकते हैं ticks को. Common body surface पर मिलता है. Then another ectoparasite is mite. Is it a microscopic? Microscopic, we can see with the microscope, which is found under the skin, beneath the skin, skin के नीचे in the body of the host मिलता है, but comes under the ectoparasite commonly known as mite. This is the mite shape is roughly round in shape, but some mite is elongated in shape, but usually mite is roughly circular in shape. This is also as 4 pairs of leg. 4 pairs of leg. Mite cause disease is known as mange. Mite cause disease is known as mange. A common human mite causing disease sarcoptics and cause disease in man is scabies. This is scabies is a type of mange caused by the sarcoptics mite. So this is the endoparasite and ectoparasite on the basis of location inside the body of or on the body of the host. Endoparasite found inside the body of the host and ectoparasite particularly found on the body of the host and beneath the skin of the host. So ectoparasites includes mainly arthropods, and endoparasite commonly includes different type of worms, which commonly also known as or collectively known as nematode. Nematode, cystode is collectively known as helminths. Helminths means worm. Nematode, cystode and cystode groups of parasite is collectively known as helminths. Then another type of parasite is facultative parasite. As the name indicates, the parasite which live in the body, in the host body, and also lives freely on the environment. Both parasitic as well as free life found in this type of parasite is known as facultative parasite. Common example of facultative parasite is maggot. Maggot is known as larva of fly. As for house fly, जो घरेलू मक्खी, उसके लार्वा को हम लोग मैगोट कहते हैं. मैगोट फ्री लिविंग भी रहता है, नहीं तो बॉडी ऑफ द होस्ट भी रहता है, इनसाइड द बॉडी ऑफ द होस्ट, एंड कॉज मैगोटेड वुंड इन द होस्ट बॉडी and also live freely. So maggot of fly, that is larva of fly, is the facultative parasite. Both parasitic and free life, which can live without the host. Host के बिना भी ये जिंदा रह सकता है. Facultative parasite means also known as opportunistic parasite. So both parasitic and free life present in facultative group of parasites. Common example is maggots. Another example is Astrongolides is a nematodes, is round worm है जिसका एडल्ट फ्री लिविंग भी लाइव रहता है, जिंदा रह सकता है, अपने लाइफ साइकिल को कंप्लीट करता है. तो Astrongolides is also a facultative parasite. Another parasite is obligatory, means the parasite which cannot live without the host, means completely a parasitic mode of life. Obligatory group of parasite cannot live without host. Host के बिना ये जिंदा नहीं रह सकता है, लेकिन facultative parasite free living भी रह सकता है, host के बिना भी जिंदा रह सकता है. तो under the obligatory parasite, most of the parasite comes under obligatory. Common example is Toxocara vitilorum. You know Ascaris lumbricoid. Ascaris lumbricoid is a nematode of और Ascaris गोल कृमि जिसको कहते हैं राउंड वर्म ऑफ मैन, जिसको ascaris भी कहा जाता है। तो टॉक्सोकारा विटुलोरम is the same group of parasite. Toxocara vitulorum is commonly known as ascaris of sheep, goat, cattle, buffalo. Ascaris group of parasite. Toxocara vitulorum commonly found in calf, mainly buffalo calf. Maximum mortality in buffalo occurs due to the Toxocara vitulorum is a round one, that is nematode. Another obligatory parasite is Ankylostomach caninum. This is the zoonotic parasite. Caninum is the host is mainly dog, but children also infected with the Ankylostomach caninum. So Ankylostomach caninum is commonly known as hook bug because their anterior part of the body is hook-like posture. Anterior body is hook-like posture, so commonly known as hook bug. So Ankylostomach caninum is found in the small intestine of dog. A small intestine of dog, it is obligatory parasite, cannot live without the host. Toxocara vitulorum is also a obligatory parasite, cannot live without host. So facultative parasite and obligatory parasite. Then hyperparasite. Hyperparasite means a parasite which parasitize on other parasite. एक parasite जो खुद है उसके ऊपर दूसरा parasite यदि dependent है, this is known as hyperparasite. Its common example is Plasmodium species mosquito. Mosquito is also a arthropod group of parasite, but Plasmodium species, some part of life cycle found inside the female Anopheles or female killers mosquito. So Plasmodium species is a hyperparasite because it found in another group of parasite, that is mosquito, female Anopheles or female killers mosquito. So Plasmodium is a hyperparasite. Another is permanent parasite. It is a parasite which lives its entire life within or on its host. होस्ट पर ही अपने पूरे लाइफ साइकिल को एक कंप्लीट करता है. Permanent parasite is a parasite which lives entire life cycle, whole life cycle completed within or on its body of the host. Most common example is mites. Previous I have told, this is mites, lives, this is arthropods. Arthropod lives within the body within the skin, skin के नीचे रहता है ये, and it is a permanent parasite. Another is lice, जिसको lice is a plural word, singular is loss. Loss is जिसको जू कहते हैं, loss is also a permanent parasite. Entire life cycle completed on the body of their host. अपने host पर ही पूरे life cycle को ये complete करता है. Then temporary parasite. Temporary parasite, opposite of permanent parasite or periodic parasite. It lives in the host in some part of life cycle. एक पूरे life cycle अपने host पर complete नहीं करता. Some of the parasite life cycle are spent on their host. Is a tick. Tick is a arthropod. Arthropods. It is a temporary parasite. Ticks visit to their host during blood sucking or during feeding. During blood sucking के समय ही या during feeding के समय ही अपने host पर जाता है और rest life cycle यूजुअली ग्राउंड पे इसका रहता है। तो ticks is a temporary parasite. Another word temporary parasite is called periodic parasite. तो हर एक का आपको एग्जाम्पल याद रखना है। मोस्ट कॉमन ये सब टाइप ऑफ पैरासाइट है। तो हाइपर पैरासाइट which type of parasite which parasitize another parasite. Common example is Plasmodium in mosquito, and permanent parasite which lives in entire life cycle on the body of the host, inside or outside. Mice like Trichinella spiralis is the Trichinella spiralis is also a zoonotic parasite. Another हम आएंगे zoonotic में, लेकिन zoonotic is a parasite which transmissible from man to animal or vice versa. So it is a zoonotic parasite. Then temporary parasites. This type of parasite spends some part of life cycle on the body of a host during feeding visit to their host. So ticks is the common example of the temporary parasite. Fly is also a temporary parasite because flies visit their host during blood sucking. Then monogenous parasite. Mono means one means it requires, this type of parasite require only one type of host during the course of their life cycle. Means this group of parasite, monogenous parasite, during the life cycle, अपने life cycle में एक ही टाइप का पैरासाइट, एक ही टाइप का होस्ट का यूज करता है। one type of host. Some host is definitive host, some is intermediate host. Definitive host हम आएंगे next class में। Definitive host और final host is a host in which adult stage of parasite are found. जिस होस्ट के अंदर पैरासाइट का अडल्ट स्टेज मिलता है उसको हम लोग डिफिनिटिव और फाइनल होस्ट कहा जाता है, और जिस होस्ट के अंदर उसका लार्वल स्टेज मिलता है उसको इंटरमीडिएट होस्ट कहते हैं। वह नेक्स्ट क्लास में हम लोग डिटेल पढ़ेंगे, लेकिन यहाँ तो मोनोजीनस पैरासाइट रिक्वायर ओनली वन टाइप ऑफ होस्ट ड्यूरिंग द लाइफ साइकिल। अपने लाइफ साइकिल में हर एक पैरासाइट का एक लाइफ साइकिल होता है, उस लाइफ साइकिल में वन टाइप ऑफ होस्ट को यूज करता है। जैसे इमेरिया इज ए प्रोटोजोअन पैरासाइट। प्रोटोजोअन पैरासाइट फाउंड poultry, cattle, sheep, goat, but only top Emeria species. That's the most. In case of poultry, Emeria cause disease known as coccidiosis. Coccidiosis is ubiquitous in poultry. Ubiquitous माने उस poultry में usually रहता ही है, poultry में. Then Emeria tenella is a species of the Emeria which commonly found in poultry. तो Emeria tenella poultry में ही अपने लाइफ साइकिल को कंप्लीट करेगा, sheep, goat या cattle में नहीं। जैसे in case of cattle, Emeria journei, Emeria bovis is a species of the parasite which completes their life cycle on cattle. So this use only one type of host, so known as Emeria is a monogenous one. Hookworm, Ankylostoma species caninum is hookworm, is used only one type of host, that is dog, to complete their life cycle. Hymenopsis nana is dwarf tapeworm, commonly known as dwarf tapeworm. It uses man or rabbit as a life cycle for complete their life cycle. So Emeria, hookworm, Hymenopsis nana is a monogenous parasite, no intermediate or vector required to complete their life cycle. So these all are monogenous parasite, only one type of host needed to complete their life cycle. Then another monogenous composite, heterogeneous parasite. It required 2 or more type of hosts during the course of their normal life cycle. Only one type of host heterogeneous में नहीं होता है. 2 type of host required. This group of parasite required 2 type of host to complete their life cycle. Common example of heterogeneous parasite is Fasciola or trematodal group of parasite. Trematode, जितने भी trematodes है, heterogeneous comes under heterogeneous parasite because it required 2 or 3 type of host. First host is जैसे under the trematode group, Fasciola is a parasite commonly known as liver fluke because its adult stage found in liver parenchyma and larval stage is found in liver fluke. Immature stage found in liver fluke. So Fasciola is commonly known as liver fluke. Is a trematode group of parasite is commonly known as fluke. Or Fasciola is commonly known as liver fluke. So Fasciola final host is cattle, buffalo, sheep and goat. Final host, definitive host means इस final definitive host के अंदर cattle के अंदर इसका adult stage A stage bile duct में रहता है या liver parenchyma में रहता है. Then through the inside the host, adult parasite lay their eggs. Eggs excreted out through the feces of the host. And eggs develop into Miracidium larva. Miracidium required a snail. So Miracidium larval stage enter snails, and from the inside the snail, different larval type development and Cercaria larva emerged out from the snails, and Cercaria insist on the grass or metacercaria, and final host cattle buffalo get infection through the ingestion of metacercaria infected grasses. So required 2 type of host. First is the cattle and second is the snail. Fasciola required 2 type of host. So Fasciola is a heterogeneous parasite. A snail is act as an intermediate host for the Fasciola because inside the snail's larval stage is developed. Larval stage of Fasciola is developed, so it acts as an intermediate. So all digenetic trematode have in direct life cycle require a snail as the intermediate host for the completion of their life cycle. So all digenetic trematode is heterogeneous parasite. Tapeworm is also heterogeneous group of parasites require 2 type of hosts. I like for an important example of tapeworm, that is Diplegium canina, tape-like a structure. Final host is dog, intermediate host is flea or lice. Jew from inside the dog intestine, Diplegium adult stage found. Then gravid segment, egg scattered out through the feces. Then ingested by the flea, arthropods or lice. Then dog get infection by the larval stage infected flea by the dog. Accidentally injection of flea by the dog. So flea and dog required to complete the life cycle of Diplegium caninum is a tapeworm. So Diplegium caninum is a heterogeneous parasite. Then another group of parasite is autoheterogeneous parasite. Means same host act as a definitive host and intermediate host. Definitive host means inside the definitive host adult stage found, inside the intermediate host larval stage of parasite found. So Trichinella aspiralis is a example of autoheterogeneous parasite. Man and pig act as a host. Inside the man and pig, larval both inside the small intestine adult stage are found, and inside the muscles of the host larval stage are found. So larval stage and adult stage of Trichinella spiralis found in the same host, so known as autoheterogeneous parasite. Then astenogenous parasite, a parasite which has narrow host range, means one few host ही होता है उस for their normal habitat. As for example, Zygentocotyle explanatum is a trematodal, yani fluke group of parasite which found only in buffalo. ना कैटल में ना सीप एंड गोट में किसी में नहीं मिलता, ओनली बुफैलो में मिलता है. तो Zygentocotyle explanatum is a astenogenous parasite with narrow host range, बहुत कम होस्ट इसका होता है. The opposite of astenogenous urogenous parasite, a host has broad host range, means large host range. Laboratory animal, bird animal, domestic animal, all are act as a host. As for example, Trypanosoma evensii, in Astatic class I have told Trypanosoma evensii is a hemoprotozoan parasite. Protozoa है जो blood में रहता है, blood plasma में. It has wide host range, बहुत सारे host में रहता है, जैसे cattle, buffalo, domestic animal. Then tiger is a wild animal. Mice is also act as a laboratory animal. Mice usually act as a laboratory and mice में भी ये survive करता है, रहता है. So Trypanosoma evensii is a urogenous parasite, means broad range of host, and astenogenous has broad, narrow host range, few hosts. In only few hosts inside the body, of few hosts found. Zygentocotyle explanatum is a astenogenous parasite. Then accidentally an incidental parasite, when parasite is found in host visually does not occur silent. जो parasite जिस होस्ट में नॉर्मली मिलता है उसमें नहीं मिल रहा है, दूसरे होस्ट में मिल रहा है, तो उसको कहेंगे एक्सीडेंटल और इंसिडेंटल. Ascaris lumbricoides commonly found in man, but sometimes found in a sheep. So Ascaris lumbricoides when found in sheep, so it is called Ascaris lumbricoides is a accidental parasite when found in sheep. Protolinian parasite is a insect which only mature stage are parasitic, only larval stage are parasitic. Only one species is a arthropod group, commonly known as nasal boat. इसके nasal meiosis करता है, nasal और fish में रहता है. इसका larval stage ही parasitic होता है. adult इस fly के larva ही parasitic होता है. तो this is known as Protolian parasite. Only mature stage are parasitic, adult stage are non-parasitic. Then zoonotic parasite, parasite which transmitted from man to animal और vice versa, दोनों में होता है. एनिमल से मैन में ट्रांसमिट होता है, मैन से एनिमल में. Trichinella spiralis, Phaseolopsis bascae, Paragonils westerni, Intemtiva spiratica cause commonly known amoebic dysentery in man. So all is the zoonotic parasite. Some large number of parasites which attack zoonotic we will discuss later on. Phaseolopsis bascae is a trematodal group of parasites commonly known as intestinal fluke. Man, especially children, get the infection by the peeling of nut of water chestnut. सिंघाड़ा के खाने से उसके ऊपर इसका मेटासर्केरिया लार्वा रहता है, उसके खाने से मैन में इंफेक्शन होता है, जिसके कारण Phaseolopsis bascae duodenal ulcer cause करता है, स्पेशली चिल्ड्रन में. जिसको कहते हैं पानी फल, उसको खाने से मैन में Phaseolopsis bascae का इंफेक्शन होता है. Then histozoic parasite which live in the muscles of the host, या organ muscles में host में रहता है, उसको Toxoplasma gondii sarcocystic is a histozoic inside the muscles of the host, and coelozoic in the lumen of the host. Escherichia coli lumen of the intestine या hollow organ of the body या body cavity में जो मिलता है, that is known as coelozoic. Escherichia coli is a nematode parasite of poultry found in the small intestine of poultry. So found in the small intestine of poultry, so known as coelozoic parasite. Then protozoan parasite, I have discussed yesterday. Protozoa is a unicellular eukaryotic, means defined nucleus. A unicellular, only one cell present in protozoan parasite is known as protozoan parasite. Different Trypanosoma, Thaleria, Babesia is economically important parasite, commonly found all over the world, all over the India, and even cause death of the infected animal, and as well as loss of milk production and reproduction capability of the host. So Trypanosoma thaleria babesia is a hemoprotozoan parasite, lives inside the body of the hemoprotozoa blood, inside the blood plasma of the host. Thaleria lives inside the body, inside the RBC of the host. This is the ring-shaped structure, is a thaleria. Babesia is found usually in group inside the RBC. This is the pear-shaped structure. And Entamoeba histolytica giardia is a intestinal protozoan parasite, lives in the intestine of the host. Entamoeba giardia is a zoonotic, man में भी होता है, commonly आप खाते हो. Metronidazole, Plasmodium is also a hemoprotozoan group of parasite. So this is all are protozoan parasite. Then in metazoan parasite means multicellular. Protozoa multicellular eukaryotic metazoan parasite. So under metazoan parasite, helminth and arthropods are metazoan. Helminths are nematode, trematode, and cystode are called helminth, and under the arthropod, fly, louse, flea, ticks, mites comes under the arthropods. So helminth and arthropods are metazoan parasite, mean multicellular eukaryotic parasite, and protozoa is unicellular eukaryotic parasite. So this is all